Today we're going to show you some of the best fabricating and chip making machines in the business. Machines like metal bending brakes, notchers, angle and sheet metal rolls, power hammers, cold saws, band saws, mills, and more.
We look forward to showing you the latest and greatest machinery Sterling Machinery Exchange and Baileigh Machinery have to offer.
Make sure to ask us about great financing options available so we can make sure to fit all your financial needs. I hope to talk to you soon about some great machinery. You know our motto, Eat, Sleep, Machine. Baileigh HB-4816. Now, this is just what they call a leaf brake. If you look over here, that's a finger brake, so we'll show you the two differences. This leaf brake, you'll notice, there's one rail that runs all along this beam right here. We raise that up, clamp it down, raise the other guy, clamp it, simple bend right here. Now, this is great if you're just doing simple pans, but if you need to do a box, you'd have to have a finger brake. So with this guy here, all these fingers are meant to come out, be replaced, move them around, and what that's going to do is allow you to get this tab inside. First, you would have made a notch on a notching machine, something similar to those. You put it right in here, make a space between it, and you're going to be able to shove this tab inside there, which is going to allow you to make that second bend and make you a nice box. So depending on the brake you're looking for, if you need something to make a lot of box and pans, a lot of different bends, this finger brake will be a lot more optional than just a straight simple brake. Take a look back here. If you need something even heavier, you go to the 12 gauge materials all the way up to 1/4 inch materials. You can see you get a powered finger brake. That's the same exact type of machine, just going to be hydraulic rather than you're manually pulling it. You set it onto a degree, and you're ready to go. If you're interested in this machinery or any other, if you have something for trade, we'd love to buy, sell, trade, let us know. 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.